Mastering Excavator Training, a guide for beginners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of excavator training. Whether you're aspiring to become a construction expert or just curious about how these massive machines operate, this video will break down everything you need to know about excavator training in simple English. Excavator training is a specialized program designed to teach individuals how to safely and effectively operate excavators. Excavators are heavy construction equipment used for digging, lifting, and moving materials. This section explains the importance of excavator training, highlighting that it's not just about learning to move the machine but understanding safety protocols, machine maintenance, and operational techniques. This section focuses on the audience for excavator training, which primarily includes construction workers, machine operators, and aspiring professionals in the construction industry. We emphasize that having formal training is crucial for anyone looking to work with excavators, as it ensures the operator can handle the machinery safely and efficiently. Excavator training covers several key areas. Safety procedures, learning the essential safety measures to prevent accidents. Machine operation, understanding the controls, functions, and capabilities of the excavator. Maintenance and troubleshooting, knowing how to keep the excavator in good working condition and how to diagnose common issues. Practical skills, hands-on training to develop real-world operating skills. Undergoing excavator training has numerous benefits, including enhanced safety on job sites, improved job prospects for individuals, and increased efficiency in construction projects. We'll discuss how being trained can make a significant difference in the quality of work and personal career growth. We hope this video has shed some light on the importance and components of excavator training. Remember, whether you're planning to pursue a career in construction or simply expanding your knowledge, understanding how to operate heavy machinery like excavators is a valuable skill. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more helpful content in the future. Stay safe and keep learning.